Hello guys. Hello everyone. Today, Wednesday, October 27th. This afternoon, Baker take a short time, just 25 minutes introducing our spring machine and the layer made sample reference for you checking to get a clear idea what our machine, the machine length, and what kind of samples our machine can be a mass producing lamp. So today, the sample reference. Firstly, let me introduce myself. This is my contact information. This is my contact information, and I'm a baker. Guangjin Spring Machine, our factory, our brand. We are one of the top CNC spring machine manufacturer in Guangdong Province, South China, Dongguan City. Okay, our factory 75 kilometers from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. So this is my contact information for the fast and direct way as like WhatsApp, WeChat, or send me a join requirements or files, documents by email, please. Also, this is my contact information, and as more videos, you can find more videos to introducing our every machine models and the layout sampling video at this site, YouTube site, for more videos. Okay, as well the Facebook site. I'm a baker export sales manager. Okay, this is my basic information. We are CNC spring machine manufacturer. For reference, this is the one heavy duty. Over 2.3. This is to shipping by the high type ocean shipping container. By the high container ocean shipping. This sellers cameless with wire rotary have several models. This one for feeding wire length, feeding wire diameter 2 to 7 millimeter. Wire rotary cameras, and for different tasks using the different lineup of the tools. For example, presently have four handle during the program. This one, and the cutting finger, the spinner, the manger, and the spring forming tools. And behind the work panel is the wire feeding tools, including the feeding roller, guiding plate, the manger. In front of the work panel, called the spring or task forming tools. So this page telling our three group of machine. For cam-based spring forming machine, and the cameless with wire rotary, and the compression spring machine, three big groups. So next, introducing the samples. Firstly, the sample made by this machine, this 2 to 7 cameras with wire rotary. Firstly, this one 8 millimeter carbon steel production rate, sampling rate 8 to 12 pieces per minute. This by 4 slides with wire rotary and the spinner. So presently is total 12 axes cameras with wire rotary to bending the tent, this code, the tent, the camp, ground, tent, camp, ground nail, tent, camp, ground stake, also using for the pet, for dog, for cat, stake, nail, pet stake, pet nail, 8 millimeter. So this one minute producing 8 to 12 pieces. This by spinner, and by spinner, and this continuous twisted by coiling finger, by the coiling finger. Meanwhile, this machine for many clients from worldwide, from different continents, different countries as Poland, Australia, South Africa, brothers, Russian, and Australia, Brazil, Argentina, using this machine, mass producing agriculture, lake time, lake teeth, agriculture, machinery, agriculture, harvester, lake time, lake teeth. This one, mostly carbon steel 4 to 8 millimeter at output rate 12, 8 to 12 pieces per minute, 8 to 12 pieces per minute. Agriculture, lake time, lake teeth for strawberry, for harvester, for hay collecting machine. Meanwhile, this machine, this is the irregular shape, also belong to the lake time, lake teeth, carbon steel 4 to 8 millimeter. And for this one, extension spring using in sports, in outdoor, children's chaplain, children's chaplain have 16 or 4 round, have 16 extension spring like this. As well, anti-vibration, 6 millimeter anti-vibration suspension spring. The heavy loaded, heavy duty chucks, heavy duty chucks, brake spring, accelerator spring, and the clutch spring, torsion, short leg, double torsion spring. This one in my hand, 6 millimeter carbon steel brake spring in various type of vehicles and the trucks. Meanwhile, we have a small wire size machine like to showcase for you. As like this, the cam base with wire rotary, cam base with wire rotary. 3 models on this page covering the wire feeding range 0.5 max to 8 millimeter carbon steel or steel iron. This And this one a special for the honeycomb conveyor belt horseshoe wire mesh, also for long wire chocolate coating chain conveyor belt wire mesh I-link belt for the food processing, bread roasting, chocolate coating, chocolate enrobing. So take a close look at A and B a full set for long wire conveyor belt. A and B and C full set for honeycomb horseshoe wire mesh. Okay, let's move it closer to the camera to showcase the sample for a clear introduction. And that's all the machine, all the samples. We have the compression spring machine, CNC, automatic compression spring machine. We have a 2 axis, 4 axis, and a 6 axis, feeding the feeding wire length 0.15 to 6 millimeter. This lotion, alcohol sprayer spring inside a compression spring inside. We have the machine to mass producing the lotion pump spring inside at least about 150 to 180 pieces per minute. Lotion pump spring and supermarket anti-theft spring, ballpoint spring, ballpoint pen spring, the keyboard compression spring, ballpoint pen spring, oil seal spring, and the short and the mini size the torsion spring like this, the torsion spring. This using a kind of package device, a kind of packing device using this torsion spring. We have the machine to bending, wire forming products. This one wire forming products, we use it as the teacup holder, the teacup holder. And this using in barbecue, also using in cars repairing for so small correction, car repairing, a kind of tools for the car repairing. And this constant force spring, wind up spring, once for the wind or the wind, coil or decoil. Constant force in mechanical watch, in tape measure, in car seat self belt, or in agricultural machinery, snow blower starter or mower starter, wind up spring, constant force spring. At different material and a different specification, constant force spring. Let's go over the heating furnace. So a surface has an oxide surface. And this constant force spring, pay attention at inside of bending. Flat strip high electric resistance material for the heating purpose during winter season for the heating purpose in the coating countries cold area. This one heating material, flat strip, high electric resistance material. We have a machine bending this one. As well, this both end double loop contacting loops, extension spring, carbon steel extension spring, this one, and this mini size, a mini type of chest expander, mini size of chest expander. We have a machine to make it in one stop, including insert the hooks at both ends, insert the clip at both ends, one stop to make it at least about 10 to 12 pieces per minute. This mini size chest expander, body exercise, chest expander, physical exercise. This one stop to make it, including insert the hooks, the clip at both ends. As well, this the irregular 4mm spring wire torsion spring. This using in outdoor stage LED lighting hanger, using as LED lighting hanger, torsion spring, 4mm spring wire. This please take the checklist, the honeycomb, the horseshoe, weaved together by the between two units. There is a straight line to go through every hose, a straight line. We also have the wire straightening and cutting machine. This one honeycomb. So by this straight line, linked piece by piece, then extended meter by meter. This with advantage heavy loading, and anti-slide. Also in widely used foot procession field for a bread roasting foot procession, with advantage also for the express of the sorting industry in this express sorting the goods for the anti-slide heavy loading. So this is the single unit. The single unit max wide at 15mm, max thickness 1.6mm, honeycomb, horseshoe, stainless steel for the foot procession, for the this honeycomb, horseshoe, conveyor belt, wire mesh. Meanwhile, we do a lot of the order to mass producing the single units for feeding. For this is for food processing industry, widely used for the bread, for the chocolate coating, for the chocolate enrobing. With by our machine bending the single unit, like this. This is the one single loop at both edges. We also have the solution for the double loop at both edges. For material stainless steel US 304 or 316. Mostly this one for the food processing industry. Most at wire thickness 0.8 to 2.5 millimeter in the wire diameter, and the single unit at 40 to 1.5 meter, 40 to 1.5 meter. As well, this one, the cringed. This one, the cringed. 4 millimeter, the cringed 4 millimeter, linked by the simple hooks, cringed. Also for the food processing industry. This one, automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. And this anti-vibration suspension spring using inside the sofa, the high jump mattress, high jump cushion, this anti-vibration suspension spring. So, my old friends, if you are interested, you can find more videos at my video bank. Or if you are interested, you are planning to import a machine to mass producing wire bending, wire forming, or spring related products, please take a picture list at my WhatsApp, at my WeChat, or you can send your items by the email. And I'm a Baker Export Sales Manager. We are CNC professional spring machine manufacturer. So please send me your further inquiry. Take picture list at my WhatsApp, at my WeChat. Then send me your inquiry, send me your proposal. We can give you professional solution for the next coming days. Okay.